In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam error missing file privileges. This error usually pops up when Steam can't write to or modify your game files, often due to stuck background processes, regional server hiccups, cache data, or permission mismatches. We'll go through a clean restart, tweak a few download settings, make sure Steam has the right permissions, repair your library folder, and finally verify the game's files so everything works smoothly. Start with a full restart of Steam. Close the client, then open Task Manager with Ctrl-Shift-Escape. In the Processes tab, end every steam.exe you see, including any helper or web processes. This clears out anything that might be locking files in the background. When that's done, launch Steam by right-clicking its shortcut and choosing Run as Administrator. Even a one-time elevated launch can resolve the privilege problem by giving Steam the temporary access it needs. Next, adjust the download region and clear the cache. In Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads. Change the download region to a nearby or more reliable server. Overloaded regions can cause timeouts or write failures that look like permission issues. While you're still in Downloads, select Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart, and you may be prompted to sign in again. This step refreshes outdated metadata and cleans up stalled or corrupted download states without touching your installed games. To keep permissions consistent going forward, set Steam to always run with administrator rights. Find your Steam shortcut, right-click, choose Properties, and open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator, then Apply and OK. With this enabled, Steam can consistently create, update, and move files in your library directories, reducing the chance of the error returning. Now repair your Steam library folder. Open Settings, then Storage. On some versions this may appear under Downloads. Find the library where your game is installed, click the three dots next to it, and choose Repair Folder. If you have more than one library, run the repair on the one containing the affected game. This can resets folder permissions and fixes library records that can break installs or updates, and it does so without deleting your game data. Finally, verify your game's files. In your library, right-click the game, choose Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will compare your local files to the latest versions and re-download anything missing or damaged. Let it complete. Larger games can take a while. Thanks for watching.